Got a chip or a crack in your windshield? Before you spend a ton of money at a repair shop, let me show you how to fix it yourself in under 30 minutes with this, the Permatex Windshield Repair Kit. Everything you'll need to do the project is in the box. The resin, an applicator syringe, pedestal, adhesive discs, a curing strip, a razor blade, and detailed instructions. The first step is to clean out the damaged area with the included alcohol wipe and safety pin. You want to make sure that there's no dirt or debris inside of the crack so the resin can flow in properly. Next, we'll peel off the backing of the adhesive disc and stick it directly over the chip, making sure to have the tab pointing up at 12 o'clock. Press it down firmly, then attach the plastic pedestal right on top, aligning the opening with the center of the damage. Make sure to align the tabs as you place the pedestal over the disc. Now, take the repair resin and add a few drops into the pedestal. Then you want to insert the syringe and pull the plunger up to create a vacuum. We're pulling it and locking it in to the lowest notch in the syringe. This is what will pull the air out of the crack. We'll set a timer for 10 minutes and come back. So this vacuum right here that you see, this will be pulling and helping get all the resin deep down into that crack. As you can see, the air bubbles escaping here. Timer's up. So next what we're going to do is we're going to pull the plunger out, put it back in, and then we're going to push it down to the lower notch. This will create the pressure that forces the resin into all the fine cracks. We're going to set another timer, this time for 20 minutes, and let it just sit. Timer's up, and we're going to remove the syringe and the pedestal. So you'll see there's some extra resin here. Don't worry about that. Once we peel off the adhesive here, we're going to put the clear curing strip over the repair and we'll let it sit in direct sunlight for 10 to 20 minutes to fully harden. I used the razor blade to just kind of push out any extra air that was trapped in there. Now I had to go turn my car around and face it into the sunlight, and I went for 15 minutes. Now, once cured, gently use a razor blade to scrape off any of the excess resin. This is the most satisfying part, revealing your clean, sealed repair underneath. And just like that, chip sealed, cracks stopped and barely noticeable. All for the fraction of what you'd pay a pro. If you want to try this yourself, grab the Permatex Windshield Repair Kit from the link in the description. It's fast, easy, and saves money. Like and subscribe for more DIY fixes.